Hey boss ladies, welcome back to the Boss Lady Lounge where we elevate, educate, and motivate. I'm Miss D and Merry Christmas to everyone. This is the season to be jolly and to remember Christmas is an annual festival commemorating the birth of Jesus Christ, observed primarily on December 25th as a religious and cultural celebration among billions of people around the world. Today I've got something special for you, Christmas gifts under $10 that are cute, thoughtful, and guaranteed to put a smile on someone's face without breaking your wallet. It's the thought that counts and not the price of a gift. Gifts that come from the heart are more special than any gift you can receive. So this is my brother Corey, and he loves cookies with his coffee, so I made him all different kinds of cookies for Christmas. Straight from the heart, made with love. If you're balling on a budget this holiday season, this video is going to save you time, stress, and money. Let's get into it. Let's start with cozy gifts, because who doesn't love comfort in the winter? Here are a few under $10 ideas that look way more expensive than they are. Fluffy socks or thermal socks, perfect stocking stuffers. Scented candles and holiday scents like cinnamon, pine, or vanilla. Mini hot cocoa or tea sampler, tie a ribbon around it, and boom, a cute, affordable gift. These are simple, but people love them. Next, let's talk about self-care on a budget, because we all deserve a little pampering. Face masks or mini spa kits, lip gloss sets, hand cream, or lotion minis. These are great for coworkers, teachers, or secret Santa swaps. And trust me, nobody can tell these were under $10. If you're shopping for kids, don't worry. Affordable gifts are everywhere. Coloring books plus crayon slime, kits, mini puzzles, or board games, cute plush toys. Kids don't care about the price. They care about the fun. Sometimes practical gifts are the best gifts. Here are classy but inexpensive options. Mugs with holiday designs, small plants, or succulents, kitchen gadgets like spatulas, measuring spoons, or mini whisk reusable shopping bags, cute and eco-friendly. These are the gifts that feel the most thoughtful and the cheapest. DIY hot chocolate jars, homemade sugar scrubs, photo ornaments, printed inspirational quotes, in an affordable frame. Your personal touch turns $5 into something priceless. And there you have it. Christmas gifts under $10 that look beautiful, thoughtful, and holiday ready. Let me know in the comments which gift idea you're trying this year. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with another boss lady on a budget. Happy holidays and Merry Christmas from the Boss Lady Lounge. This is me and my girl, Miss Keena. If you enjoy my videos, please hit like and subscribe for more DIY products, educational and motivational content. Merry Christmas and God bless you and your family.